outline tutorial. So when you're outlining, you want to make sure that you're using the right side of the pen. Some Sharpies come in duals like this, which is fine and ultra fine. We have others that are just one or the other. So this one has your fine, which is like your normal type of Sharpie that you work with, and then you will mostly be working with your ultra fine. Okay? Ultra fine kind of looks like a pen. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to push away from you, because as you notice, the further it went away from you, the more it kind of messed up. And even if I did it with the other side, the further something goes away, the more it messes up. So, the number one thing you want to do is pull towards you whenever you're doing something. If you need to, turn your paper and keep it going. But another thing, you don't want to hold your pen down too long, because if you hold it down too long, what happens? You get a dot. So if I hold it and then draw, you can see where I have the dot, and then even if I try to, it still is there, you can tell. So be confident, pull. What we don't want is sketchiness. So this is the final. This is a big no-no. We want nice, straight, solid lines. So, kind of show you. This is the old picture, so I'm going to focus on this area on my dress. So, when you're doing it, once again, pull towards you. If your body is at an odd angle when you're drawing, it's going to show in your artwork. So I'm going to turn my artwork to work with me. Yeah, just make sure you point towards yourself. You're going to mess up a little, and that's okay. Just try to mitigate, so make it where you have your less mistakes by pointing towards yourself and just break them up as you need to and turn your paper as you need to.